Up here is the fall in Yosemite National Park. If you saw the last video, it was really loud. Here it's quieter, but you can still kind of hear it. That right there is part of the river. You can see my finger pointing at it. Behind these trees is that waterfall you just saw. It feeds this river. And then it goes under the bridge to the other side of the river and feeds this really long river from the bottom of the falls. It's really cool. And in that one loud video of me screaming is because the fall was so loud I could barely even hear myself talking. And it was very misty, and I could feel it on my face. But the fall is behind that tree, which you saw previously at the beginning of the videos. And look how tall these trees are. It's really tall, and it goes as tall as these mountains up here. Look at that cool fallen tree. Look at its roots. I gotta get closer. Oh my gosh, its roots are so cool. The tree was here. It's really long. Oh, it was tall until it fell down. But it's really long. Look at that. Over there is the top of the tree. Bye-bye, river. Bye-bye. There's more river over there. Bye-bye.